Let's start by adding your product. First, click on the Upload Images option and add your product images. Once that's done, the next step is to fill in the product details like the product category here. I have added jumpsuit. Next is the product name. After that, add your brand name. This helps the AI understand the aesthetics you want for your product. Now, simply click Add Product, and your product has been successfully added to the platform. As you move forward, let's try this outfit on our new models. Let's start with Zuri. Here is how it looks on her. Next is Kara. It looks different and interesting. Now, let's see it on tape. Clean and stylish. Moving on to Sage. I really like how the product fits here. And finally, let's try on Avi. I think Avi looks the best with this outfit. This helps you easily visualize how your product looks across different models and pick the one that works. There are some imperfections in the generation, like the color or the belt are not matching. To fix that, I'll use the try-on feature. Let's enable the auto mask option. This automatically applies your product to the model to get the best result. Here's the try-on result, and I think it looks great. Finally, I'll select the upscale image feature to enhance the quality for the best possible result.